Today, authorities conducted a checkpoint operation at Rattachera Check Post in East Jaintia Hills. During a morning inspection around 8 a.m., they searched a Mahindra pickup truck without a registration number and discovered 84 soap cases filled with suspected heroin. The driver, identified as Nethinmang Haukip, 36 years of age, admitted to transporting the contraband from Churachandpur, Manipur to Shillong. The seized heroin weighed around 900 grams, valued at 7.2 crores of rupees. The driver has been detained and faces charges under the NDPS Act.